Thanksgiving without this simple, easy, but delicious recipe. 5 ingredients and you've got pistachio salad. All right, you guys, we're gonna make a simple side dish that we always do for Thanksgiving and for Christmas time. 5 ingredients. It's a tub, an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. We've got a 3.4-ounce box of pistachio jello. We have a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. We're not going to drain it. And we've got about a half a cup of chopped pecans. And we're going to do about a half a bag, which this is a 10-ounce. So we're going to use about 5 ounces of mini marshmallows. So what we're going to start off doing is we're going to dump our crushed pineapple. Like I said, we're not going to drain it. We're just going to dump that in our bowl. That came out nicely. We're going to open up our box of jello and we're going to get that mixed in. It's going to turn a pretty little green color. While I'm doing that, I'm going to just tell you guys that how much we appreciate you here at the 412 Homestead. We have been getting some very nice, kind comments. Really encouraging. We appreciate you guys watching our channel, and we just want to tell you thank you. We thank you for all the new likes, the subscribes. We just appreciate you guys. So we're going to mix this up. I tell you guys, one year, this has been a standard for us for our Christmas, like I said, and Thanksgiving meal. We'll get this all mixed up and we'll fold in the rest of our ingredients. But this has been a staple for our Thanksgiving and Christmas meals. One year my mom didn't make it and I thought we were going to have to cancel Thanksgiving. Ever since then, she's always made it for us, which we just loved. All right, we're going to fold in. Actually, let's go in with our marshmallows. We'll fold our Cool Whip in here. I'm just going to eyeball it, you guys, about like that. All right, we're going to mix in our marshmallows. We use about a half a bag. We're just going to mix that in. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to dump in our about half a cup of chopped pecans. Now this dessert is really good. Let it once you let it get cold in your refrigerator, you can make this ahead. That's what I usually do, so I'm not running around like a chicken with my head cut off on Thanksgiving. But then we're just going to fold in our 8-ounce carton of Cool Whip. And y'all, this may not be the way you do it, but it's the way I do it. I might have it all backwards, but you know, that's just the way I mix it. I know I've been getting some comments on telling me what I'm doing wrong. And all I got to say is bless your heart. So if I'm doing it differently than you, that's okay. We all have our way to do things. So, but I do appreciate your comments. I'm reading them. I'm trying to get replied to everyone. And so your comments that are very encouraging, we appreciate here. And we're trying to do better. We're learning the ins and outs and what we should change. And so we just appreciate you guys subscribing and liking and watching our videos. And I just wanted to let you know that you are noticed and you are valued. So, all right, I think we're about to get it mixed up. I think that's it, you guys. That's as easy as it is right there. Just mix those 5 ingredients up and it is delicious. That is pistachio salad right here on the 412 Homestead.